A warm welcome to one and all. I am Stephen from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Johnson Institute of Technology. I am here to present about electric cars regarding of automotive system. Here the others to present the presentation K.S. Kumaraguru from Mechanical Engineering and Tanu Sar from Mechanical Engineering. You all know that how the technologies were improved. Change is the only constant in life. Change is the part of our life, and most of the time, humans work together for a positive change that can benefit society. Talking about the automotive industry, one of the biggest transformation that we have experienced in recent time is the introduction of electric vehicle. Here, some of the content about electric cars. First of all, why we want to choose electric cars? Electric cars in India, working principle, suitability to adopt EV in India. You all have thinking first why we want to choose the electric cars. It can be reduced emission. More than we have using the IC engine, the electric cars can reduce the emission in more the way. Reduced dependency of oil. In more way nowadays, the fuel price is more high. For that, we can use the electric vehicles. The third one is quiet drive. For example, when we are traveling in road, some of the vehicle will give the more noise, but the electric vehicle is quiet drive. It will not give any noise pollution to others. Electric cars last longer. Electric cars will last longer other than IC engines. More reliability. It is more reliability than IC engine. Cheaper in energy. Nowadays, fuel also has more ice, but the energy is now so that we can choose the electric cars. The next presentation is presented by K.S. Kumaraguru of Mechanical Engineering.
Thank you, Stephen. I hereby to explain next topic about the electric cars in India. Electric vehicles are catching on all over the world as automotive giants scrambles to roll out zero emissions vehicles, especially for the sake of cities that are struggling with severe air pollutions. The Indian passengers can market now also has full electric cars, with the latest addition being introduced by Hyundai Kona electric SUV. More manufacturers are planning to launch EVs next year, the first of which will be MG EZ EV electric XUV. Next, how the electric cars work. Its working principles. That it has the major three parts, that is our battery, controlling unit, energy storage unit. An electric car is powered by an electric motor instead of petrol engines. The electric motor gets energy from a controller which regulates the amount of power based on the driver's use of an acceleration pedal. The electric cars are also known as electric vehicles or EV. Use energy stored in the rechargeable battery, which are recharged by common household electricity. Each available electric cars in India. Some of the top EVs in India are Nexon EV, which has the battery's capacity of 30.2 kilohertz. Starting price of rupees 13.99 lakhs. Next, our Hyundai Kona claim range of 452 kilometers. Battery has a capacity of 39.2 kilowatt hertz. Starting price of 23.80 lakhs. Next, the MG ZS EV, which claim that at kilometer of 419 kilometers, battery range of 44.5 kilowatt hertz. Starting price of rupees 20.99 lakhs. Next, I call upon R. Tanusu to explain about the topics.
The charging station, also called an EVS charging or electric vehicle supply equipment, EVS, is a piece of equipment that supplies electric power from charging plug-in electric vehicles. As of now, there are 427 installed charging stations for electric vehicles across the country. out of which is out of which 77 are located on major national highway, while 350 of them are situated across seven states and two union territories of Delhi and Chhattisgarh. Suitability to adopt EVs in India. Electricity car produce no tailpipe emissions reduced to dependently on oil and are chamber to operate. Of course, the process of producing the electricity, moving the emissions future upstream to the utility countries. Smokestack, but even dry electricity used in electric cars are usually reduced to culture carbon carbon footprint. Electric cars reduced almost none of the maintenance like oil change and emissions checks that internal combustion of reduce charge up charge up at home means never go to the petrol station. Thanking you.
So, thank you for this session.